First, it was the rain, a relentless downpour causing flooding over roadways like this one in Marysville. Then came the wind, and it took no prisoners. People like Chuck Blair from Lake Stevens dealt with power outages.
I just had to get some propane because my propane was all outside.
Blair is one of thousands questioning their fate.
We're trying to wash clothes and nothing's getting cleaned, right? And now we had to make a pizza outside on our grill because we don't have anything to cook in the house.
After hefty wind gusts made power lines susceptible.
I'd like to hope it comes back on sometime tonight because I work from home, so I won't be doing anything tomorrow if I don't have power back.
Snohomish PUD alone has had at least 15 power crews rushing to scenes of fallen trees, like this one here in Linwood.
I was eating, to be honest, I was eating. I just heard like a loud bang. I was like, what happened?
Chewy Seha says he nearly saw his friend's mom get hit by this tree.
It almost hit my homie's mom. Yeah, the car. She was passing by in the car. And the second she passed, the tree fell like after the car passed.
Later, Seha discovered his home also went dark.
Yeah, I haven't got power right now.
So he's now exercising his patience, just like Blair and his wife.
We thought we'd sit outside and watch the storm since we couldn't watch TV.
High winds are expected to continue tonight into tomorrow, so make sure you stay at least 30 feet away from fallen power lines. Just assume that they are live and dangerous for your safety. Reporting live in Lake Stevens tonight, I'm Maddie White. Back to you guys.